Hello, beautiful people. I need to ask you a question. I'm going to put these panels up on my foyer wall, and I need your opinion about it. They're not set on the wall, they're just panels up there with tape right now. But I painted the wall gray, and I'm going for gray and white. But I want you to tell me, how does this look? Leave them white, or I made this accent wall as well, painted gray. Tell me what you think. Good afternoon, beautiful people. I'm back with the panels that are gonna go up on my foyer wall. Remember the wall that I painted gray? These are the panels that I made to look like wall trim. So what I have to do today is paint around the edges, paint all the way around the edges, paint it white because I'm gonna keep them white on the gray wall. So I was trying to be lazy and just paint one side, but this is what you have to know about foam board. Foam board, if you paint it on one side, it's going to curl up. So you have to paint on both sides in order for you to get kind of a flat surface so you can do something with it. So remember, you can paint foam board, but you have to paint both sides. And because I'm putting this on the wall white and not painting it a different color, I have to paint all along the edges. So this is kind of boring, so I'm gonna speed it up.
Okay, let's go.
I got paint on the bottom of my shoes, so I'm tracking it all through the kitchen. Isn't that just wonderful? Oh my goodness, I got it on the hallway floor too. What in the world did I step in? Oh well. That's what happens when you're painting. Okay, beautiful people, I'm on my last panel. I know you didn't want to look at it because it's boring looking at somebody paint. But I am on my last panel. I have to let them dry. Maybe overnight, I don't know, I'm gonna see. But while they're drying, I'm gonna change the sheets. I know you don't want to watch me change the sheets. Do you? I don't think you do. But if you do, I'll make a video of that. But anyway, I'm on my last panel. It takes a while because you have to use a small paintbrush. And you have to take your time, because if you don't take your time, it's going to be a big mess. And if you want to actually use these panels and not take the time to cut out more, just take your time. If you don't have time to take your time, what I mean is if you have to rush through it, don't do it. Because it's just going to be a big mess, and you don't want a big mess on your wall. You want something that looks really nice, so when people come to your house, they'll go, wow, who did that? I did. I did it all by myself. And I did it using foam board. So, like I said, I'm on my last panel. and it takes a while and it's really boring to watch. So, see you in the next video. Okay, beautiful people. I had to put some lotion on my hands. And don't laugh at my hair. If you do, it doesn't matter. But anyway, you have to put lotion on your hands. When you're a crafter like I am, I'm a master crafter. I'm a master crafter. You see that headboard? Yes, I made that. I made that headboard. It's not from foam board. It's made of wood and the plushy kind of foam, not foam board. That's made of wood. But anyway, when you're a crafter like me and you're always using paint and glue and glitter and you're always washing your hands get really dry. And when I can remember, I try to put lotion on my hands. So that's what I'm doing. Rubbing the lotion into my skin. Okay, the other thing. Now, these are the blankets that I'm going to put on the bed today. And I haven't used these blankets in quite some time. Actually, I forgot about them. They were down in a container so far down I couldn't see them. You know, every time you change the sheets, you go into your closet and you're like, what blanket or comforter should I use today? So today I chose this, but I haven't used it in a long time. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you, watch when my husband gets home. He's going to say, did you buy new comforters? No, I didn't buy new comforters. This is an old comforter that we haven't used in a long time. But watch, he's going to say it, and I'm going to fume it. Yes. You just watch. Oh, that's right. You wanted to watch me change the sheets, right? It's kind of boring, though, isn't it? Okay, I got to put this over here. Out of my way. Because that's the comforter or the blanket. These are the sheets. These are Perry Ellis sheets. Yes, bought these from Burlington. Burlington, a long time ago. It's not just a coat factory. I gotta move this. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the fitted sheet. See, you get messed up when you're on camera. Okay, let's speed it up. Ta-da! All done. Do you like it? I do.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.